Hello and welcome back to Logios Online, Beginner's Basic Russian course, Lesson 3, Part 1. If you want to learn Russian, check out our website logios.online. Привет, меня зовут Лена. In the previous lesson, you learned two new vowels, y and I, and 6 consonants. They're pronounced b, d, z, l, n, r. These letters don't look like their English counterparts, but they represent sounds you're familiar with. And in today's lesson, we will continue to learn letters that represent a sound that exists in English but is written differently in Russian. We'll also talk about voiced and unvoiced consonants. This letter, which is written like an English B, is pronounced V in Russian. Vaza, a vase. Vaza. Villa means a villa. Villa. You know that this letter is not a P in Russian, but it's the consonant R. And this is a Russian P. P, like in the words park, a park. Park. Plan, a plan. Plan. The next letter is pronounced like the G in get or goal. G. Gas. 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 So here the letter Z is pronounced S, not Z. Gas. So let's see why. In Russian, the consonants are divided into two groups: voiced consonants and voiceless or unvoiced consonants. Voiced consonants make our vocal cords vibrate when we pronounce them, whereas unvoiced ones do not make our vocal cords vibrate. When you say Z, you can feel your vocal cords vibrate. The consonant Z is what we call a voiced consonant. But your vocal cords do not vibrate when you say S. Therefore, the letter S is a voiceless consonant. And at the end of a word, a voiced consonant becomes voiceless. You have to pronounce it like its voiceless counterpart. So the voiced consonant Z will be pronounced S if it's the last letter of a word. Gas. There are 6 pairs of voiced, unvoiced consonants in Russian. We will learn them as we progress in our lessons. But don't worry about this pronunciation rule too much. People won't have any problems understanding you if you say Z instead of S. This letter looks like an English Y, and in Russian it's pronounced U. It's similar to the English U sound in the word cool. But in Russian you have to exaggerate the rounding of the lips even more. U. Soup, sauce. Soup, a soup. Soup. And sauce means sauce. Sauce. You already know the letter I, and this letter is called short I, and is pronounced Y, like in the word boy. Y. The letter Y is a consonant, whereas the I sound is a vowel. Y, like in the words yoga, yoga, or boycott, boycott, boycott. The unstressed O that comes before the stressed vowel is pronounced A, boycott. And the last letter for today is the consonant F. Кофе. Coffee. Кофе. Física means physics. Física. And now it's your turn. Try to read the following cognate words. Spa. Spa. Posa. Posa. Puzzle. Puzzle. Cactus. Cactus. Mosaica. Mosaica. Lactosa. Lactosa. Visa. Visa. Zoopark. Zoopark. So here the two O's are unstressed and they precede the stressed syllable. Therefore, they're pronounced A. Zoopark. And so that's all for today. Don't forget to sign up on our website to get more learning materials, and please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks a lot and I'll see you next time. Пока-пока!